Why do you snore? Why do you snore? Did you paint your nails? Why do you snore, sir? I mean, oops. I mean, ma'am. It's too bright, isn't it?
Yes.
I know you don't mean to snore like that. You know what I'm saying? We all know you don't mean to snore. You know I love you. Are you mad at me about anything, or just no? All right, I'm just asking. That's all. When did you paint your nails?
Well, a week and a half ago or so.
Oh, before you got back with me. Did you do them yourself, or? Or did you?
Oh, yeah.
Got a pink brace, huh? Did that come like that, or did somebody color that?
What?
Your pink brace or whatever, or cast. I meant to say cast.
No, they had to put like her stuff first.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
that's what they saw.
Uh,
Then put the pink around.
yeah, I see. Yeah, I know. Oh. Oh, wow.